Now let's look at this. It says find the first 4 terms of each sequence if the n term is this for A, this for B, and this for C. As you can see, we are given the formula for the sequence. And this formula is called what? The n term. We are asked to find the first 4 terms of what this represents. Let's see. For A, the Tn is equals to 3n plus 1. So the first term is to put 1 in place of n. Anywhere you see n, you put 1. This is 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. Let's go for the second one. That is 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Let's go for the third one. That is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Finally, we go for the fourth one, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 4 plus 1 equals to 12 plus 1 equals to 13. Okay? 4, 7, 10, 13. Now, let's go for the B part. For B, we have Tn is equals to 5 minus 2n. So for the first part, T1 is equals to 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1. In place of n, we put 1. Okay? That is 5 minus 2 equals to 3. For the second one, you agree with me, you're going to have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2. In place of n, we put 2. That is to say, 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Let's go for the third one. That is 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3. 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. Then the fourth one. The fourth one is 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4, which is 5 minus 8 equals to minus 3. Okay? So as you can see, for the first term, we have 3. We have 1 for the second term for this particular series. For the third term, we have minus 1. For the fourth one, we have minus 3. Now let's go for the last one, which is C. C says we have Tn as equal to 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Okay? So for the T1, that is 2, 1 minus 1. In place of n, we put 1. That is to say 2 raised to the power 0, which is equals to 1. For the second one, we have 2 as equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 2 raised to the power 1 equals to 2. For the third one, we have 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1, which is 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4. Then finally, we have this as 2, 4 minus 1, 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8. So you can see, for this particular sequence, the first term is 1, the second term is 2, the third term is 4, and the fourth term is 8. Hope you understand how to use the n term. The n term, these are the n terms, which is the formula for the sequence to generate the terms of the sequence. Okay?